Hello folks, good day and welcome to another video of the copy trading feature here in XM. My name is Stanislav Kolev and I'll be with you for the next 30 minutes. I'll be explaining in detail and of course answering your questions of how you will be able to take a maximum advantage of the unique tool that XM is providing you for absolutely free, and it's called copy trading. I also suggest that everybody that is a little shy or so, don't be. I'm here to help you, so you could ask me all type of questions and I promise to give you the best possible answer. So let's get right into it. This is the tool that I will be explaining in the following 30 minutes. Last week, we covered fully everything that you're going to do in the platform, but we covered only two of the um, different groups that are suitable for copy trading. Copy trading is for everybody. It's for beginner and novice traders. We covered this already. It is also for busy individuals and professionals. And also, it is also for experienced traders that look to diversify or retirees or passive income seekers. Long story short, whoever you are out there, whatever you do, you could take an advantage of the copy trading tool. You would just have to pick the right people to follow that are aligning with your um, psychology, risk management, instruments to trade, and of course, um, maximum drawdown and all type of specifications that we will be talking about in this session. So we have followed already two people. Let's see how this is performing, and we're gonna get to the next one. As soon as you log into your account, you're going to see on the left copy trading. You click there, then you go on portfolio. As soon as you click on portfolio, you will be able to see all of the current people that you have followed. We have 5,600 balance, and we have two active traders that are running their positions. If we click in positions, we're also able to see the positions that are being maintained here. One of them is for intelligentsia, and the other one is euro dollar 1 minute. So from 1 week up until now, we didn't have much of an action, but also at the same time, we didn't have much of volatility on the market. We didn't have a ton of it, so I consider that it this might be part of the let's say not too active performers that we have got so far. The strategies that we follow are two. One of them is based on a beginner and novice trader that want to be more active, so we followed euro dollar 1 minute. And the other one is for busy individuals and professionals, which is the person called intelligentsia that is having, I gotta say, very impressive um, very impressive performers in terms of how they have been doing so far. Now, if we have to go back to my presentation and get in the role of experienced trader and retiree, we really have to get in the shoes of those people to understand exactly what they seek to get. Also, um, below this video, you are going to have a link of the other video that I have, which was the beginner trader and busy individual. So if you want to see what the criteria we were selecting, then it's the right place to look at there. So experienced trader that looks to diversify. This is a little bit, I can say, more specific because most of the experienced traders, they are already trading some particular sectors or multiple sectors, and they do look to diversify their investment and spread the risk into different assets. Let's say they're expert on the Nasdaq or any forex pair, and they rather look to diversify their cash flow um, from different from different um, sectors. Let's say they like to open on crypto a little bit more or trade rather exotics, etc. Also, most of the experienced traders, they don't like to get in a lot of risk. They don't like to get too overexposed. They don't like to get and see very big drawdowns. And they also do not insist, as an experienced trader, not insist to have too much an activity. What I mean by this, I mean that yeah, it's great for somebody to be active, but if you're not active, I'm absolutely fine with that. And the reason is because I understand that by the time that there is no signal, you don't you're not obliged to trade. There is no reason for you to be executing positions by the time that your system is not giving you green light to do so. So long story short, experienced trader look to diversify. Let's try to find a strategy. Let's say that we're experienced trader that has commodities, has forex, has indices. So we don't have really crypto into our portfolio, and we will be looking to find somebody that have small drawdown, that have enough time to be trading, that have small drawdown but trading crypto. So we're getting into the copy trading platform. We go on copy trading, and we are looking in crypto kings. Let's click here. You could see on the upper scroller, you could see most popular, most invested. Actually, most invested is a very good spot. Maybe, and if we go most invested and then select crypto, yeah, we don't have many most crypto invested. Probably the reason behind this is because that there are not too many um, there are not too many crypto experts, if I will have to put it like this. I opened some random guy that doesn't have much of history. So let's get back to crypto kings. Let's click here. Crypto kings. Um, we got this guy who is USD US. Is it on crypto? No. Crypto Kings. So now the first thing I'm looking at is the drawdown. And where I click on the Crypto Kings, I see drawdown of 42, 76, 74, 58, 52, 47, etc. percent. So all of those are not my cup of tea, right? All of those are rather something that I would not like to look into, because anything more than, let's say, 10, 20, maximum 30%, I consider a lot to expose my portfolio. And I am an experienced trader, and most of the experienced traders are going to give you the same perspective. Now let's just see best performers, and let's select crypto here and see what um, selections will be picked up. Not many of them either. So maybe we're going to drop out for a moment, at least as of now. There is no great crypto performer, at least as per my criteria. For you, could be completely different. I see that there is no great crypto performer that I would like to follow up. So I'm just going to go and look into other criteria. What could that be? As I said, most invested looks very appealing. The reason behind this is that the more people that are invested into your portfolio, maybe the best it performs. We have this 9% drawdown, but it was not much. Um, we've got also here with 30%, 43, 33. So we're looking something at something that is small. Let's see, 17% drawdown. I think it's fine. 17% drawdown. We have performance from May, and this have been this have been going up since then. Not too much of data though. Let's get back, and so we got into this guy road. Um, we got 70% drawdown. That's a lot for me. Intelligentsia, we already followed this guy with very good score, and we could see the tick here that we're actually already following this. We have 45% drawdown. MTrader GPT-1. Stable money gold, 12% drawdown. Let's click on this guy. It's 4%, 4 risk factor. Okay, this actually looks pretty solid, I have to say. This person is trading from not very much time, from July, but we're having consistent growth. Because we don't know exactly what he's doing, let's look into the bio. Continuously generate income from forex trading. Want to help those who fail to success. Trade gold only. Please withdraw profits every week. Thank you. Whether you do this or not, I mean, for me, that's a little bit more of a long term perspective. I see he's rather using some form of martingale strategy, as I see. When he's selling, then he's doubling the risk. As far as I see from the close position, he's selling and then selling and then selling, and then this is how he closed it. Um, all right, I'm going to give this a star. I'm gonna save it into the watch list, get back, and have a little more of a look. I don't want to rush this. I want to make an educated decision before I really pick the one that I'm going to put my money into. We have artificial intelligence. We have that's a um, different profile from the same guy. And this is in the last few months. June, July, August, very bad, and before that we have very good performers. We have 23, year of 23, and we got year of 22 as well. So all time we've got really 300% here, but we kind of already followed the same person, maybe different strategy, so I would rather really skip into this. Okay, so let's look into something different. Let us select the low drawdown option. And I think that the low drawdown option, now we're going to combine those um, two different segments. First is experienced traders, and the other one is retirees. We rather, if we're a retiree, we rather look for some low drawdown. We're not going to be so impressed from the growth, but rather we don't want our money to be um, in a drawdown. I think we opened already this stable money goat. Please withdraw. Yeah, we got the same person. So if you're a retiree, let's say you have $1 million in the bank, and you're wondering what to do with this, you're not so much interested in for it to grow significantly, but rather for it to have some good month over month good performance. Long story short, you're really looking into some solid um, into some solid, small drawdown, small risk, and growth is like second criteria. We're going into checking this oil cash. So we are only from August. That's too small history we have, at least as per my criteria. As I said, I want to have at least like 2 3 months um, of history. Return 7. This doesn't look bad though. Euro dollar. Let's see on the close position. Sell, sell, sell. Buy, buy, buy. This is only euro dollar. I suspect that it is trending same direction. Is it some form of martingale? I think it is. So 2024, 2023, we have some good growth months. The thing is that the returns are not too bad. Um, and I have to translate this. We're a company that provides financial advice. That's great. Actua Independiente. We got most of the trades winners. I think I can put some money into that. The drawdown is not too big. The person is not too overexposing, and the minimum investment is 450. I think that we are kind of aiming for some stable growth here. You could see how the chart is constantly going up. So I come back here. You have to wait for a moment. If it doesn't load, I'm just gonna refresh the page and for us to see it. Yeah, let me just refresh that. Out of memory. Okay, that's interesting. Okay, we're back. Not a big deal. Probably something because I'm back testing at the moment, and this back testing is taking a lot of my RAM memory. There is very high probability that it's because of this. So, Actua Independiente, I'm going to follow. I'm going to copy that strategy. I'm going to put 560, which is exactly 10% of my account. And when you're copying whoever um, from those, of course, it's your personal decision, but I just do the investment amount and the multiplier is calculated by itself. So I want to put some small portion of my money into this so it doesn't lose. In case it blows out, it doesn't lose more than 10% of my personal investment, right? So in a case it blow out, I still have my remaining capital, so it is just 560 dollars I put into risk of this strategy. And also I do not want to copy the open positions. I only want to add new positions into the current performing ones. So long story short, I'm not clicking this button, I'm not adding any take profit or stop loss. The reason is because it is going to jeopardize the strategy that I want to follow. It is going to, if I change somehow with a stop loss or take profit adjustment, it's not going to be the same thing. And I want exactly same product. Of course, if you have a better idea, maybe you do it, but I would personally would not. So I'm going to click copy and voila. It is copied successfully. If we get into portfolio, you see, actúa independiente, por favor. And we got this 560 bucks. Multipliers don't care, right? They probably have about $1,000 and something dollar. That's what is there. The fee for it is 30%, and that's pretty much it. So we get to the next one. We get to copy trading, and we have enough time to copy something else as well. Let's get into this low risk, or did we select the low drawdown? I think we did select the low drawdown. Yeah, I liked something at the bottom. I think I'm going to try to find it as well. Yes, this is, no, not here. Um, I think this is what I like. No, invested 4,000 on funds 3. We ratio 2.1, drawdown 11%. No, it was not this. It was Golden Eagle 3. So we got only 12% drawdown. We got 19 investors here. Let's see that performance. Let's see this. And the old time is from beginning of July. So it's not much of history. Actually, it's end of July. So it's not even 1 month. I will be a little bit skeptical here and instead go back and try to look for something else. Again, the same procedure. Um, Synergy Analytica Masterclass Trading. All right, sound promising. We got the old time, and the old time is 1 month. So we don't have much of history here. I see that this guy trades gold. We trade oil. Yeah, we trade oil and gold only. So we got some euro dollar and Bitcoin as well. That's a little bit member of the Eagle Union Alliance signals. Backed by 50 years of expertise, advanced technical fundamental analysis tailored to market cycles. Our trading strategy focuses on risk management, practice technical analysis, and thorough assessment of underlying factors. Sound promising. The only thing that it's missing here for me, it is the history. It has very good hit rate, etc. It's just a great place to be. The problem is I don't have much of historical data to say, oh, this guy is doing good, consistently good, right? So I'm going to give it a star, and on the next video we're gonna check it and we're gonna see how this person performs, and for us to decide whether to follow or not. Um, we got some bamboo axis, and we got all time from June. We're trading very not actively, so we have been buying Russell 2000, and we have been buying Russell. We've been buying Russell. We've been buying Russell on 28th of August. 28. That's yesterday. So this is scalping Russell. Let's get back into the main page. This is some scalping strategy. This is some scalping strategy. On the Russell, 22nd. Okay, let's see. German DAX, bye-bye. There is something. It's actually, we got 55,000 invested here. And we got some steady growth, I gotta say. Um, I like this. I like that. We don't have any scalping strategy into our portfolio except the Eurodollar 1 minute. That is not really a scalp, but the person is holding the trades for multiple days. So I think I'm going to copy this as well. We got like 82% of the trades winners, 18 losers, best trade 7, worst trade 4. This might be a gem. and we got indices. We don't have open position, so I think that's trading. Let's see the time that is trading. If I zoom it out, it's going to, yeah, 4 o'clock, 4:20, 4:30, 4:30, 11 the German DAX at the US session. Yeah, it's trading exactly at 4:30 onward, so only in the afternoon. I think that this could suit very well into our portfolio because we don't have anything that is short-term oriented, that is anyhow some hit and run. The only thing is how much I want to risk of my capital, how much I want to dedicate. Also, something that I see here, we have 55,000 invested already into this account. And we got like 214 investors from the beginning of the month increased. And we got 2050. Oh, maybe somebody, yeah, I see. Somebody invests a lot of people into that one. Okay, I consider that it's going to be smart and appropriate to not start very big, right? To start rather small, okay? Um, to copy this, I think I'm going to dedicate a 250 bucks on this. However, if on in our next meeting I see it's progressing well and we have some good performers, I think it will be very appropriate to dedicate more time into it, more, sorry, excuse me, capital into that. And that's the beauty of the copy trading tool. It is not necessarily for you to jump all in and decide once and for all. You could always increase and decrease the invested amount. Not only, but you could always, so let's put 250 into that guy here. I think that's very reasonable to do. The thing is that you could always abandon the ship. What I mean by this, you click on the person, you could pause the strategy, or you could exit fully. Let's say that you're going into a vacation, but you're having the psychology that you think about a lot the positions, you're going to get distracted, you're going to be checking your account constantly, and it's something that is going to um, make a conflict, let's say, between you, your wife, your spouse, or whoever you're in vacation. Of course, when you're present with people, you want to have be absolutely mindful with their presence. So when you're going on vacation, you just click on pause strategy. You click on pause, you see it like this, and as soon as you get back from your vacation, you could resume strategy and click on resume. Also, if you would like to abandon a particular strategy, you could always click on exit and it's going to close all of the running positions and your account will be out of copying further positions executed into this. Long story short, um, if you don't like, if something changes in the investor's behavior and you're in a position that it doesn't match your psychology, your personality anymore, the best thing that you could do is to abandon it and then follow somebody that is matching your criteria. Follow somebody that is um, is trading the way that you like to trade. Because remember, you have full access to your money whether you're copying somebody or not. You could always stop a strategy, you could always abandon, and you could always transfer the capital and relocate it to a person that is closer to the way you trade and your psychology and your personal trading approach. Uh, we made it. I want to say a very big thank you for everybody that was watching. Um, Guys, you could also see me into an upcoming videos here, and also you could follow me and the other experts daily in XM Live Education, both beginner and advanced. So stay legendary and explore your copy trading too. Bye bye.
I'm going to start by asking you, when did you start trading? How long have you been doing this?
lahat, welcome sa Filipino Advanced Room kung saan أهلا وسهلا بكل المتداولين. أنا هميس وهكون معاكم.
Bienvenidos a Life Education.
Dan langsung di mana Anda
Bem-vindo para Indonesia.